Hazrat Amr bin Dinar narrates that Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, "My father passed away, leaving behind 7 or 9 daughters. So I married a woman." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "O Jabir, have you married?" I submitted, "Yes." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A spinster or a matron?" I submitted, "A matron." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Why did not you marry a maiden so that you may play with her and she with you?" Or he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You may make her laugh and she may make you too." I submitted, "My father has passed away, leaving 7 or 9 daughters. So I disliked it to bring a maiden like them. I therefore married a woman who could look after them." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bless you." Ibn Uyayna and Muhammad bin Muslim did not report Barakallahu alayka from Amr bin Dinar. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6387.